GooeyTrade is pleased to announce that we've officially launched the beta version of Tradingview charts inside of the DxTrade trading platform. This is an advanced feature that we're excited to roll out to traders as we think it'll be very beneficial due to the sheer amount of requests that we've received. As it's in beta version, you currently cannot access it without the unique URL that I'm going to present inside of this video. The first thing you do is you log into your trading platform. When you're logged into your trading platform, you'll notice if you go under Tools, Tradingview is not currently an option. However, if you paste in a special URL, it will become an option. So once you're logged into your trading platform, simply click in your search URL, copy and paste the URL that you would have received via email. And if you don't receive it via the email, you can enter trade.gooeytrade.com / trading view equals true. And this is the important part of that to enable it. So once you do that and you press enter to refresh your page, you will notice that when the page refreshes, you now have Trading View as an option in the tools drop-down menu. And when you click it, it will pull up the Tradingview charting library for you to start utilizing. All of the advanced features of Tradingview are here, including all of the indicators, the lines, the graphs. You're able to track all your trading positions down here. Once we go to the full version, we will be releasing a full tutorial video on how to utilize the platform, and we're excited to hopefully roll that out in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Please note that it is in beta version, so if things are not working as you intend, please submit a ticket to support@gooeytrade.com, and we'll be happy to pass that along to the development team. But again, it is in beta version, so some things may not work ideally the way that they will work in production when we get out of beta. Thank you, and stay tuned for the full release of Tradingview in the coming days.